our audience. Today, you are going to learn the most rapid technique for the color correction in Photoshop. For that, open the photo that you need to do color adjustment in Photoshop. Please note to use the original photo for the editing purpose in any situation. So you should always take a duplicate of the original photo or image before editing. Now, go to Filter tab and select the Camera Raw filter option. In this Camera Raw menu, change the temperature and tint adjustment to bring out the natural look of the photo. Change the export scale as per your view. Export option enables you to adjust the amount of light which has been reached to the adjustment for the highlights and shadows too. Highlights is the lightest elements in your photo, whereas shadows defines the darkest area in your photo. With this white and black option, you can remove the unrealistic color cats from the photo or image. Now, go to HSL adjustment. HSL stands for Hue, Saturation and Luminance. You can moreover adjust colors in HSL to give your photo a warm look. Let's look at how I adjust HSL. The same color adjustment that I make here will not effective for your photo, so you have to adjust this everything and bring your photo to a more natural way possible if it is a nature based photo. Once done, click on this OK option to apply changes to the duplicated layer. Wow, just see how amazing the new view of the photo. Let me show you the difference of the previous and current version of the photo. Now we have just few things left to do playing with curves and levels. Click on this Creative New File or Adjustment Layer option and choose the Curve option first. Here you can adjust reds, greens and blue colors separately like this in your photo. I will move this property box for the curved and do the color adjustment by seeing the different areas of the photo. By using the curves option, it can be control shadows, highlights as well as midtones in the image separately. This seems fine for me. Now we can do level adjustments. You can get the property panel for the labels also by create new file or adjustment layer option. In this level property window, you can drag the scalar and adjust the highlights and shadow like this to give your image a perfect look. The color adjustment are fine for me. You can do the color correction and adjustment for any of your photo using these tools. Hope you learned another very important topic today in Photoshop. If you learned something new or enhance your knowledge in Photoshop from this video, don't forget to hit a like on our video, which is such an encourage to us. Please be kind enough to leave with the subscribe and a bell icon too to receive notification on our next video releases. Hope to see you soon. Have a good day. Goodbye.